Welcome back to Vani Vision. So in the last previous class, we have learned about balancing method, how easily we have done addition, right? In the same way, today I am going to tell how to do the multiplication easily by using the same method, balancing method. Clear? I think so. If you people haven't seen that video or if you didn't gone through that video, once you go back and see the addition video first. Then you will be clearly understand what is balancing method. So once with small example, I'm going to explain you out anyhow. So shall we start? Okay. See now. So today's concept is what? Multiplication. What it is? Multiplication. So most probably we'll be facing the problem here too, right? So I wanted you people to make it easy. So for that, what is my method is what? It is also a balancing method which we already used in addition. So balancing method, a small recap I am giving you. That is, see, suppose our numbers are like this. See, 24/12/32. Right? So we should write the places first. For easiest way, I am writing the places. Only two places we are going to consider. That is ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. The ones place number should be written as it is. So 2 should be written as it is. Whatever the tens place number is there now here, it will go to ones place number, the beside number, and we should add there. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, again this one will go and add it with 4. 5, 2. So in this way we are going to balance the number. Okay, shall we start by using this how to do the multiplication? So we'll start with the 2-digit numbers. Up to now in the subtraction and addition I have started with the 3-digit number, but in the multiplication we are going to start with 2-digit numbers. Okay, so 72 into 3. Okay, so I'm not going to change anything up or down, nothing I'm going to write. So like this only we are going to add. Sorry, we are going to multiply. So 3 should be multiplied with 7 first. 3 sevens are 21 slash 3 twos are 6. Now write the places ones, tens. Okay. So 1 should be written as it is 6. So now here ones, 1 as it is, 2 as it is. So shall we check this? 72 into 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 sevens are 21. Is it correct? Yes, right? So now we'll go for the another example. So the first one is 2-digit, right? It will be easy only. Now we'll go for the 3-digit. Then the trick starts there, how it is easy for us. Yeah. So only the main concept is what? This one. If you know this, we can do it easily, the additions and the multiplications with 2-digit to 1-digit. So today in this video I am going to tell about 2-digit to 1-digit, 3-digit to 1-digit, 4-digit to 1-digit, 5-digit to 1-digit, like that, so on. Up to infinity we can do. Infinity digits to the 1-digit. This concept is for. Okay. Then now 3-digit. 236 into 4. Okay, I am not going to change anything. The position of the numbers will be there itself. From there only we are going to add the numbers. Sorry, multiply the numbers. See, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 6 fours are 24. Correct? Cross check. 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 six are 24. Right? Now write the places. Ones, tens, ones, tens, ones. Okay, the first ones place should be the same, right? This 2 will go and add up with the ones, it becomes 4, right? And this one is add up with this tens will be added with the ones and it becomes 9. So what I got? 944. So we are going to check it out, right? We'll be having a doubt. 236 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. 4 2s are 8, 9, 944. Is it correct? So without any, in the simplification part we are going to use all this. So we are not going to change it. But like small children will be learning the multiplication like this only. But while we doing like when we grown up, like intermediate, like any other like 10th, 9th, simplification part will be coming. Big number multiplication with a single digit number. At that time we have to use it. Our calculation will be quite fast, right? Fast we have to do. So now we'll go for the next example. So I'm rubbing this side. The 4-digit number we'll see. So here we'll do 4 digits. Here we'll do 5 digits. Okay. Then 4-digit number. So this is what? 3 digit. So 4 digit. 2363 into 5. Okay. 4 digit with 1 digit. So same again start. Start from here. Okay. 5 2s are 10 slash 5 3s are 15 slash 5 6s are 30 slash 5 3s are 15. Cross check. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are 30. 5 3s are 15. So what should we write? Ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens. So these ones and tens also not needed later on. As we have practiced, right? At that time, no need of writing ones, tens and all also. Directly we can do it. Okay. Now see here. This number should be right. Ones place should be same as it is. We have to write. Tens will go and add up with the ones. So make a plus here. 0 plus 1, 1. Plus here. 5 plus 3, 8. 1, 1. Okay. This is what our answer. Check. 2363 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 6s are 30. 31. 5 3s are 15. 16, 17, 18. 5 2s are 10, 11. Got it? Which one is easy? Fast we are doing it, right? The next example, next we'll do 5-digit numbers. Okay? 5 digit. Now we are going to do 5-digit number. So 12,436 into 5 only I am taking again. Or else you want a bigger number? So we'll go for 9 table. Okay? 9. So 9 ones are 9. Okay? 9 twos are 18. 9 fours are 36. 9 threes are 27. 9 six are 54. Right? 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 fours are 36. 9 threes are 27. 9 six are 54. To do this also we have to be perfect in tables. We should know the tables, right? So next, how to write the easy way tables also I am going to tell you. Okay? Then ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones, tens, ones. So ones place should be written as it is 4. Okay? Then 5 plus 7, how much? It's 12. Again it will go and carry. Okay? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. What is your answer? 1,11,924. So we are going to check it out. So here I do 9. 9 6 are 54. Okay. 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 3. 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39. 3. 9 7s are 18, 19, 20, 21. 9 1s are 9, 10, 11. See, we got the same answer, right? Yes? See how much bigger number it is. See here how it is. Clear? In easy way, simple way we are doing this. Right? In this way, by using this method, this balancing method, we can do 6 digits, 7 digits, 8 digits, 9 digits, up to infinity we can do by using the balancing method. I think so you have, if you practice, and now also I am saying only the one thing. Before also in my starting video I told what are the disabilities, right? To make maths easy, the first thing is what? We have to remove our fear and anxiety. And the second thing is what? We have to practice. Lack of understanding and lack of practice. The two things. If you are not going to clearly, it is not clear in the first time, then see the second time, then see the third time. Okay, then you will understand the concept clearly. Then practice, not only with these numbers. You have to practice with the number of numbers again. Other examples, other numbers you take and do it continuously. Practice makes a man perfect, right? In that way, the practice makes a maths perfect. Okay, I think so it is clear. If you are having any doubts, you can comment me. Thank you. Stay tuned to Vani Vision.